Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2013 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive, stock number Z9490XXA. 62,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Crystal red in color. We sold this Equinox brand new. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Front seats are also heated. Gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. There's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. And a large glove box with the owner's. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles per gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 70% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.